An administrative appeal is essentially an appeal by mail, only available to people who now live out of state and who have a Michigan hold on their driving record. Essentially, you are required to submit the same evidence you do for a normal driver's license restoration or clearance appeal. But instead of showing up in front of a hearing officer or even having a video hearing, the case is decided based upon the documents alone. The simplest way to show how poor these are is that every hearing, whether video or in person, is an opportunity for the hearing officer to ask questions. And whether your hearing lasts 20 minutes or 45 minutes, it's all question and answer. So rare is the case where there will be no questions whatsoever. If there is so much as one concern about any part of your paperwork or your recovery story, and you're not there to answer it, it's game over and you lose. This is why, in fact, 3 out of 4 administrative appeals lose each and every year. Moreover, we have no idea how many times that 1 out of 4 who eventually do win have previously tried to get there. My take on this, however, again, is rather than try and persuade somebody out of doing it, because I could spend hours explaining all the hazards, I say give it a whirl. When it doesn't work, we're here when you need us. And if it does work, good for you, and you can never say that I tried and talked you out of your money.